Alright, in this lesson I want to talk about the difference between distance and displacement. They may sound similar, and they are very similar, but there are a couple of key differences I want you to know and understand. So distance is the total amount of ground covered, the total distance traveled. Let's say that I start here, and I walk over here, and then I walk over here, and then I walk back over here. I have maybe moved 5 meters this way, 5 meters back over here, and 3 meters back over here, for a total of 13 meters. That would be my total distance traveled, and that would be my distance. So distance is just total amount of ground covered. Displacement is the straight line distance from point A to B. So, in the previous example, I started here, I walked over here, we said that was 5 meters. We walked back over here, another 5 meters, and we walked over here. We said our distance traveled was 13 meters, was our distance traveled. However, what was my displacement? I only went from here, or over there, to now here. My displacement is the straight line distance from that point to that point, and we could say that's about 6 feet, appropriate social distancing distance, and I traveled about 2 meters. So you can see my distance and displacement are a little bit different. So, provide you a little bit different example. Let's say we start here at the 0 meter mark, and I start walking, and we go over here on the board, and here, and over here, and over here, and we end up right here at the 15 meter mark. Is my distance or displacement bigger? Well, we walked all this way, so my distance that I traveled is very, very large. However, what is the displacement that I traveled? It's from 0 meters to 15 meters. So, therefore, my displacement in this case is 15 meters. And my distance that I traveled is much larger. How about this example? What if I started here and I ran around the entire world and I ended right back here? My distance that I would travel is very, very, very large. However, what is my displacement from here to here? Well, I would say it's 0 meters. I started and ended in the same spot. I have moved 0 meters from point A and B are at the same spot, so my displacement here is 0 meters. So it is possible to have a very, very large distance that you travel, but have a very small or 0 displacement. One other thing of note, distance is a scalar. And let me just erase this. is a scalar quantity, so it needs a magnitude, so a number and a unit. And displacement is a vector. So when we're talking about displacement, we need both a unit and a direction, or a magnitude and a direction. Excuse me. Hopefully this is helpful. I'll make another really quick video showing just a quick example problem and how to calculate distance versus displacement. Hopefully this is helpful. In the next video, we'll be talking about the difference between speed and velocity. Hope you enjoyed.